Have you ever thought of your family as part of your team? Recently, we learned from one of our clients where that was the case. You see, the mom had a change in careers and was forced then to learn this new software, Excel, which her son knew really well, was able to teach her formulas, where she was able to do a really good job at work and get the promotion.
And I think a lot of times as parents, we think that we're going to be the ones to teach our kids a lot of things. And not just us, but other people. But there is actually a lot that we can be learning from them too.
And in this case, it was the parents that were teaching the kids lifelong goals, using a board game, cash flow, and life and Monopoly to really help them understand and be strategic in their decisions.
So just be thoughtful that it may not be that you're going to be the one to teach everything because you know everything. Be open-minded and realize that one example that you could do is to actually go around the kitchen table one night at dinner and ask each other, what are things that you know really well that you can actually teach me? Because I bet every person in your family has something that they could teach each other about.
And ultimately, you all want to win. You want to do it together and help each other.